This video is about roots of unity. The nth roots of unity are the solutions of the equation z to the power of n equals 1. And I will show you examples for n equals 1 up to n equals 6. For n equals 1, we have the equation z equals 1, which has exactly one solution, namely the number 1. For n equals 2, we have the equation z squared equals 1, which has two solutions, 1 and minus 1. For n equals 3, we have the equation z to the power of 3 equals 1, which has three solutions, z0, z1, z2. The three solutions lie on a circle with radius 1, with center in the origin, and they form a regular triangle. For n equals 4, we have the equation z to the power of 4 equals 1, which has four solutions, 1, I, minus 1, and minus I. The four solutions form a square, and all solutions lie on the circle with radius 1, centered in the origin. For n equals 5, we have 5 solutions, z0 is 1, and z1, z2, z3, z4, they lie on a circle with radius 1, centered in the origin, and they form a regular pentagon. For n equals 6, we have the equation z to the power of 6 equals 1, which has 6 solutions, which you see here. Again, they form a regular hexagon, and all the points lie on the circle with the radius 1, centered in the origin. The first solution, z1, has an angle of 60 degrees, which is 360 degrees divided by 6. The second one is 120 degrees. The third solution has 180 degrees. The fourth solution has 240, and the fifth solution has 300 degrees. And the solution z0 is 1, which has 0 degrees or 360 degrees, which is the same. So the general solution for arbitrary n is zk equals e to the power of k times 2 pi divided by n times I, and which can also be written in the form e to the power of 2 pi divided by n times I to the power of k. And k ranges from number 0 to n minus 1. And in the following, we let En be the set of all nth roots of unity. We pick the first solution, z1, which is of the form e to the power of 2 pi divided by n times I, and then the set En can also be written in the following form, z to the power of 0, which is 1, z to the power of 1, which is z, and z squared, z to the power of 3, and so on up to z to the power of n minus 1.